Hi, and welcome to Cario, your all-in-one freight management software. In this session, I'll be giving you a walkthrough of the Consignment Maintenance Workflow. So if you're ever in the need to make any changes to the consignment before you manifest it over to the carrier, here's how to do it. To begin with, head over here to the left where you see the navigation bar and click on Consignments to get the drop-down. In the drop-down menu under Consignments, head over to the Maintain screen. When you click on this, it will take you to the Consignment Maintenance menu. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all the consignments that you have made. To make any changes to the consignment, all you need to do is click on this pencil icon here on the right. This will take you into the consignment creation screen, where you can see the consignment details and make any necessary changes as needed. So for example, if you need to change, say, the quantity of the cartons that you're sending over, you can do that as such. Right? You can also add new shipment items into the consignment. For example, if now you want to add, say, a drum. So make any changes within this consignment screen as necessary, and once you're done, please remember at the very bottom, you'll have to go ahead and click this update button to save the changes that you have made to the consignment. After you have updated the consignments, the shipping labels will adjust to the updates that you have made. You'll also get a notification that the consignment was updated successfully.